Okay, here is another repair that I'm doing today. And Thomas, if you see this video, I'm sure you remember this area. Here's the model number. And I'm in the back, Thomas, and at our dealer where I think I first met you. I'm not positive if it's the first dealership. Central Ford. And now I got to listen to this music while I'm working. That gets a little annoying, but what am I going to do? Anyway, so my repair consists of, I can't even hear myself talk with this shit. So put this on here, and then I got to remove this column because you can't see it, but this part right here is bent. It's all bent in here, and the lift was stuck up here. So what you do is take the cable off, and unbolt those, pull the column back, and replace those parts. And then his piston is leaking. Excuse my hand. Piston's leaking, so there's a leak right there. Another big piston. It's actually bigger than the one I just did. It's going to be a toughie, but with a tranny jack, it's easily removable. This piston is probably about, I'd say 8 feet long, and 12,000 pound lift. And I've seen them bigger than this, but luckily it's not as big as some of the other ones, like on the overheads where they have the overhead attachment and the pistons are on top. That's when you need a gantry to remove them. But basically the same repair. So let me get started and fix the column first, then raise the lift all the way up and remove the piston, and hopefully I can repair it while I'm here. If not, it'll be finished tomorrow, hopefully. Okay guys, that's it for this, that's it.